Welcome everybody. In this video I want to show you how you can do the black and white color effect in HitFilm Express 12. So I have here a clip and now I just need to click on effects right there, black, and you will find here black and white, and you just need to take it and paste it on your video. Now what you can do, let's say that I want it to be black and white but only part of it, not whole. So I will go here to Effects, Master, click here on the display timeline to see keyframes. Okay. Let's animate it like that. And let's say that this is the beginning of it, and here I want it to be end. So I will go to 0. So now, as we can see, and let's play with the music. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, let's go. If you can time it with this awesome music which I love, it will be so amazing to have the black and white effect. It's just so, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Wow. It's like the color, oh my god, it's awesome. Goodbye.